What is going on, guys? And today I'll be talking about the coronavirus, but before all that, I just really want to thank you guys for the love on the videos. I mean, I'm over 300 plus subs right now, which is crazy. I've been growing pretty quick and I've been getting nothing but love in the comments, so thank you guys so much. I love making these videos because I love helping you guys out, and I just love giving you my take on dropshipping and what I think about it. But today I'll be talking about the coronavirus, since it's all over the news, you know, all over social media, especially in the dropshipping community. People are wondering if they should even scale their ads or kill their ads, you know, or even just start drop shipping for the new guys out there. My advice to you is just to keep it steady right now. Do not scale, do not do anything crazy, because on top of the coronavirus, you know, the Chinese New Year, so everything's gonna be very slow right now. And if you have customers that are wondering where their product is, let them know that, you know, their order is going to be delayed because of warehouse issues. That's what I've been doing. I've been emailing them, and they, surprisingly, they are okay with that. But some people obviously, you know, just want a refund. Give them their refund because you don't want any more headaches. So that's my advice to you guys, because, you know, this whole coronavirus is pretty crazy. I mean, you have to adapt, especially in a business like this. But also on AliExpress, you can filter for USA suppliers if you guys want to try that out. I mean, there's always a way, and I wish you guys luck, because it's just a crazy time for dropshipping right now. This is my advice to you about the coronavirus, especially since this is just, you know, new to everyone, especially drop shippers. But like I said, you have to adapt. I also created a Facebook group just for drop shippers, you know, who have questions about Facebook ads, you know, building their social media, or anything to do with drop shipping. You guys can ask away on that Facebook group. I'll be happy to answer, or maybe if someone else has knowledge in that, can answer. But I wanted to create this Facebook group just to build a community of like-minded people. So feel free to, you know, join if you guys want. The link is in the description. But yeah, guys, I mean, that's all I had today, and I hope you guys have a great Friday. It's Valentine's Day today, so me and my lady will probably be doing something later, and I'll see you guys in the other video. See you guys later.